We're going to take a deeper dive into this 69 Chevelle Restomod here today. Absolutely stunning restoration on this car that was just finished. See how nice everything's detailed. Radiator support's been painted and smoothed. Inner fenders, firewalls smoothed. Has a crate 454. It's badged up as a 396, you know, for the period correct look, but it's actually a crate 454. We've got all the dress up goodies on it: chrome valve covers, chrome alternator, chrome thermostat housing, an Edelbrock carburetor, Edelbrock intake. Nice little detail work. You can see that was hand painted on there. Chrome AC compressor. It's got a new AC system. Chrome brake booster. Just really nice finish work on this. Of course, we've got the chrome radiator cover, aluminum radiator. You can see the tubular control arms. And just, this is a show car inside and out. We'll dive deeper into the interior here in a second as well. But you'd be hard pressed to find a nicer one. This car received a lot of new metal, full quarter panels and floors and the header panels, and we've got a list on our website, but a lot of new metal installed on it. Everything done very nicely. You can see the gaps are nice and tight. Very straight body. And it was coated in this Cortez silver paint, and the spear stripes are actually painted on. Received a new vinyl roof, all new chrome trim and accessories, the mirrors, the emblems, bumpers, all the lenses, all of that stuff's new. Got the SS grille, SS emblems, SS hood, which is what everybody wants. It was given a little bit of a modern touch with these little bit bigger American racing wheels. You see four-wheel disc brakes. Interior is all new as well. Everything done in nice black vinyl. Custom steering wheel. It's got the bucket seats and center console. Again, the upholstery, the carpet, headliner, all the panels, door panels, rear panels, everything are all new. This car needs nothing. It is ready to drive and enjoy and take to car shows. Same thing in the trunk. Everything has been gone through. All the metal is new. Everything's got the correct spatter paint, the way it would have left the factory. New weather stripping. Got a spare tire. Got the jack. And just a very clean build. And then we've got an envelope here that has some of the pictures and information about the restoration.